flame effects coming from the basketball player. So what we'd like to do now is go ahead and save the image as a JPEG. You can name that image accordingly. So we're going to call that 11.jpg, and then we'll proceed to Flame Painter. Now Flame Painter works as a plugin for Photoshop or a standalone software, but it's fantastic for creating a variety of different styles of brushes, as you can see here. So once you have your image open in Flame Painter, your JPEG image open, what you'll need to do is create a number of new layers on top of the original image to get the correct effect. So there are two particular brushes that we can use for the desired effect. The first one is the ribbon green, and the second one is the flame. We're going to start with the ribbon green. I'm going to leave the settings as they are, and I'm going to go to the palette option, go to color, and make sure my brush is white. You can have a good play with this. As you can see, you've got some really nice effects. Okay, so let's go back. I'm going to choose flame, and I'm going to try and create some streaks in this motion, veering to the right of the ball. So I'm just going to click and drag. As you can see, it gives you some really nice effects. What I normally do is I just go back and forth, adding and deleting until I get something that I really like. So I'm just going to keep doing it until I get something that I think is applicable. I quite like that one, so I'll leave that there. I'll add a new layer and delete the previous one. I'm going to do another one just in case I get something that looks slightly better. Okay, I'm just going to keep adding. Now I like that one, but let's try and get a better swoosh. Okay, so again, just keep dragging. I like that. I think I'll keep that. Let's add a new layer. Keep that one there where it is, and I'm going to add another swoosh down here, just underneath this foot. So again, I'm just going to click and drag until I get something that really looks and feels right. And the brushes will, or the effects will vary depending on how you tilt your graphics pen if you are using one, and I highly encourage you to use one because it makes the process a lot easier, although you can get the same effect with a mouse. Okay, so I do like that. I think I'll keep that one. So that's layer 4. Let's scroll up to the flame brush, and let's make sure that we choose flame, although I will quickly show you some of the effects that you can achieve. As you can see here, it's very, very realistic, and I think it's a fantastic tool. That's the follow option, but we want flame, and what we want ideally is an effect. Let's just move this on this side here. There's an effect that comes directly off the ball. Now again, it's a trial and error. Once you've got something you like this for example, keep it, create a new layer. Let's make the size slightly smaller, and I just want to add to the layer that I've already got, just to bring out some more of the flame. Right, I like that there. Let's choose a ribbon. Let's make that slightly smaller. And let's see if we can add to that just around the edges. It may or may not work, but again, it's all about trial and error. Okay, so let's just play around with it there. Okay, let's go back to the flame and just click and drag just to create a swoosh effect. Now all we need is a slight swoosh on the edge of the ball. I think slightly smaller one, like that. That will do. And once you've got your desired effect, all you'll need to do is scroll down, hide the original layer, so you just got the flamed layers open, and you can go to File, Save As, and you can save that as a JPEG image. Now again, PNG option doesn't work that well with Flame Painter, so I do save it as a JPEG and I just create a layer mode in Photoshop. So let's go ahead and save that. Flame 1. Once that's done, we'll proceed to Photoshop, and in the next lesson we will add some glow and light effects to really bring out the flames that we've created using some glows in Coral Painter, and we'll finish off the lighting effect